Yearly horoscope for Scorpios around family for 2021. Family can be a source of strength for you, Scorpio, but it can also be one of the most splintered areas of your life. Even though your loved ones might think they know you better than anyone, they really don't sometimes. You keep some of your deepest secrets from those you love, simply because you don't want to be bothered with their opinions and criticisms. Your loyalty, though, is one of the strongest bonds you share with them, and therefore they know they can count on you for anything and that you will be there. This year, there may be a strong difference of opinion between you and a loved one, and it may have to do with your love life. They may feel that they have the right to share their opinions and their advice with you, even if you have not asked for it. Try to take this in the spirit as intended, for it is done with caring and love. But if it does become too overbearing, speak up. Communication will be the only way to make sure this is a bonding experience rather than one that divides you. A family member may become involved in some other aspects of your life, perhaps connected to work or something else that is part of your routine. This could be a good connection, though, one that will help you to know each other more deeply and to see things about each other that you have never known before.